So my academic background is in social work psychology and public health, but none of that involves technology at all. But I've been really interested in cultural racism. So I've been interested in the ways in which language and symbols and imagery have been used to convey some sense of white superiority and the inferiority of other groups, which naturally led me to media. So I started to think about the ways in which people are exposed to media, racist media of various forms, and how that might have health implications. That led me, my study of cultural racism led me to consider how we leverage culture. So not just thinking about how culture can be threatening or damaging, but how can it be powerful? How might we help shift narratives and discourse around issues of race, racism, racial inequality, which led me to think about what I could contribute to media and culture. And really started to think about the old adage of being able to walk in someone else's shoes. If only you could walk a mile in my shoes, perhaps you could connect and understand some of these issues in a way that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. And so virtual reality became a natural place for me to go. And it's so interesting because when I wrote the proposal to fund this virtual reality project, not only did I have zero training or background with technology at all, other than like Excel, right? I had never used virtual reality. I'd never worn a headset. I kind of knew what it was, had never used the technology at all. But I reached out to a collaborator at Stanford who has been working in virtual reality for 20 years and asked if he was interested in working on a project about racism. It's my expertise, let's leverage your expertise, transdisciplinary, and think about what we can create together. And we got the project funded, and 2.5, 3 years later, here we are.